Hi, now I'm going to show you the latest GreeNox Macro from BioCircle, one of the most powerful units in the weld cleaning sector. No matter TIG, MIG-MAG, weld cleaning or surface cleaning. And this needs special electronics, and I'm going to show you the function later. Which of the accessories are in the scope of supply as a standard? A red ground cable. This piece which will be attached to the unit and holds your torch or handpiece. A handpiece 6 meters long with an adapter for the carbon fiber brush. This is the carbon fiber brush B60. This is the PTFE sleeve where you can adjust the length of the carbon fiber. This insulator is going onto the adapter. This graphite electrode for straight welds or little surfaces you want to clean. The felt and this O-ring. And this is what you get with your new machine. Our next step is you're putting on this PTE sleeve on the carbon fiber brush. Adjustment of the carbon fibers roughly to a length of 10-15 millimeters. You should not work like that on a surface, otherwise you could destroy the carbon fibers prematurely. Now I'm showing how to install the carbon fiber brush on the insert holder, or as an alternative you can unscrew these Allen screws and take out the adapter for the carbon fiber brush and replace it with this graphite electrode. You can see the fixtures here, they are tightened by the Allen screws, so very simple to change if you want to clean with an electrode rather than with a carbon fiber brush. And now the insulator goes onto the adapter, and then you are screwing on, you're attaching the carbon fiber brush B60 to the torch. That's it. The GreeNox Macro has got an inbuilt tank and a supply pumping system, and the machine shuts off if the level sensor is below a certain level. So if a red light is occurring on the electronic panel, don't panic, you just fill the tank and then you can operate it again. After filling your tank and connecting the device to the electrical outlet, you're switching on the GreeNox Macro, and you can see on this little nice panel. Now the machine is set in German, and how can you change the language from German to English? There are about 12 languages available. You are pushing at the same time the minus and the plus. And you can see this pin. There's no pin necessary, but you can switch the language by pushing this knob, this button. And now you can change from German to Spanish to French to Czech to whatever. And then now we are continuing to English and setting the English language to operate this machine. Once you set your language, you can see on the screen the machine is ready to pickling with a brush. If you push on mode, you can set pickling with a pad. You can set polishing with a brush from AC to DC, electropolishing, polishing with a pad, black marking, stainless steel etching, and now once you are through, you are back to pickling with a brush. You are also setting the voltage in different settings, because with a brush you need a lower voltage than with an electrode, for example. And now if you want to set the pump in a certain speed, or when you are installing the machine for the first time, you need to pump through the liquid to the torch, to the tip. This is the power setting. You can go plus minus, higher and lower. The dynamic pump speed allows you to automatically adapt the pump speed. You don't need to steer it manually, or you are changing the pump speed with the plus and minus buttons. And now you are going on from manual to timed. And now if you're starting the torch here, you are automatically pumping the liquid through the torch to the tip very quickly. Do that for approximately 30 seconds. So finally, we have to connect our ground cable to the machine and to either our workpiece or to a contact wherever you can get your connection to the workpiece. And now we are ready to go. We just switch the machine on. Quick check if we are in the right setting. Pickling brush is exactly what we want to do. And we can start the machine with this little micro switch, and you just push the button. You can hear a click. The pump is pumping only when I want it to. And you're cleaning, and this is it. After the well cleaning, we have to remove the residues from the GreeNox T solution. We are just wiping it off, getting the most amount from the surface, and then we are cleaning and neutralizing with GreeNox N and a dry cloth, and then wipe the residues off. And you can see there it's a very there are no residues on the surface. You can see there's no residues. The GreeNox Macro is not just a weld cleaner, it is also powerful enough to clean larger stainless steel surfaces. There's an extra outlet on the machine here for cleaning. You can either connect the handpiece of the GreeNox Macro, for example, or you've got the opportunity to connect these different electrodes for surface cleaning. Two sizes available, one for this size and another one. If you've got to clean tanks and larger surfaces, you can connect this electrode. You connect your handpiece, no matter the large one or the bit smaller one, to this additional outlet, which is marked with cleaning. Pretty simple, I would say. Then you are choosing the option pickling pad, because on your handpiece and your electrode, you've got the pad. You're starting the function of the machine, pushing this button on and off, and you're dipping your handpiece into the latest development of BioCircle, the GreeNox S surface cleaner, and then you can easily clean all limescale, rust, whatever residues from your stainless steel surfaces. And after this cleaning process, don't forget to neutralize, you've got a very nice and neat and tidy surface of stainless steel. With the GreeNox Macro, there's also the option to do black etching with your conventional accessories. You take the cable, connect it to the machine into the outlet where the marking sign is showing up. Also, you've got your reusable stencils. And the setting on the machine is a bit different. Now we are using black marking. And when you start the machine here, it shows you that it's operating straight away. We have to connect our marking handpiece still, and then this is it. With the GreeNox Macro, you can connect the device to compressed air. This can support to blow away the fumes which are occurring, non-toxic by the way, but there are little outlets here and they are pushing away the fumes from the operator.